memories are still fresh from the February 2021 winter storm that damaged millions of Texas homes. Below freezing temperatures caused pipes to freeze and burst.
It's fucking colder here than it is in North Carolina. It's fucking 40 degrees North Carolina. It's 1 degree here. What's going on, you guys? Shit, it's been another fucking 2 weeks. Been busy though. I was in Vegas. If you're seeing this, this is probably on Saturday and I'll be home. This is Wednesday. I want to get a last leg day in.
Thursday.
Or it's Thursday. I haven't hit legs in 2 weeks, so I thought it'd be fun to show you guys the pain I'm gonna put myself through today. I'm not the one to usually duck legs, but we'll see how this goes. So let's go. That's as low as it goes. Come on, bro. Got fucking Christmas cookies last night and I ate 8 of them.
Well, what kind of Christmas cookies though? Like the ones you get from Walmart?
Trees at Target, and then I got the big red ones.
Ooh.
I had like 8 of those.
You feel like shit now?
I feel like shit. I probably shit like 8 times today already. And I'm hitting legs. Nah, bro. What do you say?
Huh?
Let's sit back, bro.
No.
Huh?
Nah.
No legs?
Legs.
You just follow Zay's path and do physique. I'll do it. Can I do it? He said he'd help me out with posing.
Now you gotta be, what's it called, dramatic with it.
How they be? I can't do that shit, bro. I can't do it. I feel like I should cast before I go. What do you think?
It's better to hit him early.
But I ain't doing it afterwards, I'll tell you that much. Someone's on there anyways.
I don't even know what this machine is right here.
You don't know what that is?
No, I never
For
seen it.
your, what's that, tibula? There you go like this. That shit would probably hurt the fuck. I got bad shit splits. See how strong this guy's tibula was. Ooh.
Oh.
That's good though.
But why are you hiding the calves though?
I'm not, bruh. Don't do that. Don't fucking do that shit. I don't even need to do this bullshit. I could not train calves for a year, I'll be fine. That's what, the only thing my dad gave me, that and my arms. My dad's arms are fucking huge. And then my mom gave me my legs. I feel like I can go to sleep right now. In my pajamas.
Weird ass pants. The 80s.
Did you say beaner ass pants?
I said weird.
Well,
but I could say beaner though.
I have a fucking code with them now. You know that?
Yeah. You posted about it.
Be keeping tabs. Fucking Christ. I didn't think I was gonna get 15. God damn. wasn't as bad as I thought it would be until like the 13th round. Fuck. I really thought it was gonna be a lot worse.
You kept going.
Yeah. I probably could have kept going, but my back started coming off like that. And that's when I started to get injuries. No good. Yes. I think from this side.
I don't know.
Damn! Dude, I have like a fear that's gonna fall on me. Bruh. What the fuck? Oh, do I go like this?
Bro, I never used it before.
This is fucking heavy, bruh. Feel this, bruh. Just like pull it.
Oh shit!
Bruh. Alright, let's see. God damn. That shit is fucking heavy, bruh. What do I hold on to? Oh shit. God, bro. Woo! Oh shit. That's a hell of a first set. Holy fuck. That shit was fucking heavy, bro. Alright.
How'd it feel though?
Such as hell.
I feel like there's a different way to get
To get in?
in. Yes.
What do you want me to slide in?
I'm pretty, that's what those bars are for.
You want me to hurt myself?
Or you just...
There you go. I'm gonna shit myself, bro. Hit two more. Oh shit. Alright, what's the best way to get up? Oh! Fuck. I'm gonna get 8. I don't want to do it again. That was whack. Alright. God dang. Fucking vertical leg press. Oh. That's fucking it, bro. I want to take the time now to thank you guys for an amazing RIP drop. That was my biggest one yet. And you guys blew it out fucking water. So we've already been working on the next one. It's going to be Texan themed. Y'all are the first people to know the theme. So we're looking at 2 shirt restocks, at least 3 new tees, the RIP belt, a few new hats, and new hoodies and jogger sets. Y'all know y'all went crazy on those. So stay tuned. Thank you guys again. And we're gonna run that shit up, baby. So I was debating between Von Walker's 7x7 with 30 seconds rest and you can't leave, or what I used to do 12 reps, full reps, then you drop the weight 10 at the bottom, like partials, like halfway. Then you drop the weight again, and you do 12 full reps again, but with 2-second negatives. What's that? 34 reps?
I think so.
You do 2 sets. We'll see how this goes. This is the last exercise. That's pretty big though. What is the lighting? What do you think?
Maybe.
Cap over there, see?
Next classic.
Yeah.
Competing in classic, open.
How you doing? Probably not my dance second. That's what the girls do. Where they go? I can't do it, bro.
Nah, it's to the left.
It's to the left?
Yeah.
So is it here?
Yeah.
Can't do it, bro. Oh, when they turn around like this way. Fuck that. Not for me, bro. Maybe. I gotta get all my sweet tooths out this last week because Grant's not gonna take that shit.
No more crumble.
You see the fucking waffle one they had? Did you have it?
Nah, I haven't had crumble since Houston.
Last one I had was peanut butter brittle. I didn't really like it. They put the peanuts in the inside. Alright, that was the end of the leg day, man. It's fucking colder here than it is in North Carolina. It's fucking 40 degrees in North Carolina. It's 1 degree here. How the fuck does that make sense, bro? Man. God damn. I hope y'all enjoyed that leg day. Y'all have a Merry Christmas. And as always, peace, love, and blessings. And we out.